Hey guys, I'm back with a quick little video. I'm just gonna put these stickers down and be done. But this is going to be a plan with me for July 27th to August 2nd, and this is in my PP weeks. If you ever want to see how what I do with the page after I stick all the stickers down, you can always go to my Instagram and you can find me at CharCreatez. And you'll see pictures. I'm actually going to start posting pictures of this one because I haven't yet, but if you want to see what I do, then that's where you'll be able to see that after I've stuck down all the stickers. This is from SoCutePlanner, and this is the Sweet and Wild kit. Again, this is no longer available in her shop, but I will link the shop down below if you want to go and check out what she does have available right now. If you want to see how I lay these stickers down and how I complete this spread, just continue to watch. And if you can see on these date covers, I've already stuck down the dates just to save an extra step when recording this video. I've noticed that my videos have kind of gotten long and out of hand. So I'm trying to keep it nice and simple to keep you guys interested in what I'm posting. I don't want you to just be here bored and listening to music, and so I feel like the shorter that I do the videos, the more that I'll talk, so to speak, because my 20 and 30-minute videos, there's just no way I could find enough to talk about in that amount of time. But today I went to my twins, not my twins, my twin niece and nephew's birthday party, and we just had a nice little get together. It was a few of us, nothing out of hand, nothing that was going to be much out of the social distancing that we're doing right now. We try to keep ourselves to a select few, and I just totally skipped Friday, which is right here in my hand, so let me fix that. But there's a select few of us that will get together, and we normally don't invite many people out of that circle, and that kind of just keeps us safe, keeps us from giving the disease around. So anywho, it was fun. It was a water park. I had my nieces and nephews with me, and they had one of their nephews with them, and I mean, they just had a good time. They got in the water splash pad and sat with me and took pictures, and I was telling my niece, every time they are with me, I end up with like 100 some odd pictures in my phone, because they're normally snapping on with all of the Snapchat filters, and which I love, because they don't too much like to take pictures for me. So if they're taking pictures on their own and they just happen to end up in my phone, then I end up getting them pictures anyways, right? So they don't think about that. They just think about the fact that they get to use my phone when they're with me. But I'm really the one that's reaping the benefits, because I'm getting the pictures of my kiddos. So that's what we did today. It was nice. We had cupcakes, and we had drinks, and we had hot dogs. Everything was good. My pops got on the grill and cooked as he normally does. And it tasted amazing as it normally does, so. But other than that, I haven't really been doing anything this weekend. I have not walked since Thursday. So I'm gonna make sure that I get back on that tomorrow. I'm trying to keep up with that routine. But I mean, 4 days out of the week. And each day I did at least 2 miles, so. I got about 10 miles in. I think Monday I did 4 miles. And then each day after that I did 2 miles. So yeah, I got about 10 miles in for the week and I'm pretty proud of that. I'm trying to get in the routine to actually walk every day though. So hopefully I can get into that, just because walking isn't really that much of, it's not really a hard workout. So I kind of want to just make it a routine to do it every day. That way I can get some type of activity. And then maybe when I actually start going back to the gym and lifting weights and stuff, then of course, you know, I'll take breaks on that. But just walking, I want to do that daily. And there was a point where I was walking like 5 to 6 miles a day, so I'm kind of trying to get back to that. Just to kind of keep up, well, not keep up, but get back to that, because those were the good old times when I was losing weight the way I wanted to. And so but for the most part, I'm all done with this. I'm gonna do my little, what I call sidebar. I mean, it's not a sidebar because clearly it's at the top, but it'll be like my weekly overview. And I just like to put important reminders. And that kind of just covers that box that normally a date cover would go in. Yeah, there we go. And then I'll put my little checklist down here, and I gotta get some pink on this because this is all the neutral colors. We want to get some pop. I might just move this down. And then I'll put the weekend banner right up here. And this is going to be my habit tracker, just to make sure. Well, this is a past spread, but this is to just keep track and make sure I read my verse for the day. So that's what this is for. was a payday, so we'll just put that right there. And that's gonna be all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate you for coming and watching. Hope you guys have an amazing day and be blessed.